everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make a ridiculously fun carnival style balloon pop game in which the victim will get a giant balloon filled with mud popped all over their head. Now we'll be using the Mud Wrestling Instant Mud package from JelloWrestlingSupply.com. We'll put a little bit of this instant mud powder into a balloon. The balloon will sit in this net over the top of someone's head, and then we've put this trigger arm together which will pop the balloon and the mud will pour down. Now to make this, we've used a few simple items from home. First of all, we've taken a fence paling, and to that fence paling we've attached this Splash Me button. Now this could be made using a bit of plywood cut out with painting on it, a bit of paper, anything to make a button there that you can hit. Now this is the most important piece, but it's very simple. We've used a door hinge here, and we've screwed that straight onto the post and attached it to the back of this fence paling, and that's what creates the trigger to pop the balloon. See, we've got the nail in the end here. Now the net that we've used, this is actually a fishnet handbag, and we've just got that hanging up on a couple of nails, so we can put the balloon in there, hang it up above, and it'll be ready to go. This is an awesome fundraiser, guys. If you've got a teacher, boss, any volunteers that you can get to sit in the chair, kids, adults, everyone will love throwing things at the target, trying to pop the balloon filled with mud all over the victim. Now to make your mud balloon, all you need is the Mud Wrestling package, a balloon, and then you need a funnel. Now depending on the size of your balloon, you may want to play around with the consistency to get the exact runniness that you want. Adding more powder will make for a very thick mud. Adding a little bit more water and a little less powder will make quite a runny mud. We worked out for this balloon size that 1 tablespoon is a good amount. Tip it into the balloon. Make sure you hold it nice and tight so it doesn't spray out. Give it a shake around. Tie it off, and you've got 1 mud balloon ready to go. This is a great fundraising idea. If you can get a teacher, a celebrity, your boss, anyone like that to sit underneath the chair, you can charge per throw to hit the target and you'll be able to make a lot of money. Here we go.